See you guys later.
Have a good day, son.
What? Where am I? Where's my car? Okay, this is weird. Let me call Dad. Call Dad. No phone. I don't even know. Hi! Hi, excuse me! I'm looking for my car!
Son! Son!
Dad, I'm over here!
Ward, my son. Oh, I miss you.
Dad, I missed you too. I just left. Huh? You look different. I think it's time we caught you up to speed. So, in Chapter 2, we'll go over... Ward? Are you all right? I really must have died. I don't remember anything. My dad said I was in a head-on collision. My body must have been destroyed. How do I know you're still you? Yeah. That's a tricky one. I'll have to do some digging. But Ward, you're here, and your family needs you now. Be happy.